That's right. Yeah, we've been living around this motherfucking mud hole for a long time. We've been living around this mud hole for a long time. Oh yeah. Got the grandma on the back. Yeah. Ain't never seen me skinned up with leather. Every time you see me, yeah, floating from a feather. Yeah, and then you tell me that I'm wrong. Every time you see me, yeah, this country boy song. Don't give a damn, niggas run around with the steel toes. Every time you see me, yeah, we're still breaking foes. Every time you see me, every time I ride around, got the big trucks and we ain't playing with the ground. 44's jacked up in mud. Yeah, we still gon' slug. Got the 44, and you know we gon' tug. Anybody out that needs a 4-wheel lug. Yeah, I'm riding around, don't give a damn, cause we in the Dallas town. Country boy raised all white, don't give a fuck, nigga, cause I jump out and fight. Don't give a damn if it's in the 4 mud deep. Yeah, every time you see me standing in the street, or if it's in the 4 inches with a creek, don't give a damn, cause you know we never sleep. Killers and them white boys, yeah, we know we got them jacked up with the white toys, 44s and the drugs. Don't give a damn, cause we don't mess around with thugs. I'm country, as you ever seen. Country, have you ever been? Yeah, down the back road. I tell you what, we don't take no clothes. Guitar, yeah, guitar. Smooth country. Every time you see me switching on your money, I'm a dirty like that. Yeah, we got the country boy riding in the bag, 6 foot fucking 7, 8.